Wait till you get those.
Hi, Chandra.
Hi, Bobby.
It was a special request when he was sick. I hope I went to the right place and got the right one.
Oh, is that what you wanted? Yeah? There's the birth certificate and everything inside. How was the plane ride, Caleb? Did you like it? Was it an awesome ride?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Are you feeling better?
yeah.
Good.
You want me to carry your box for you?
Let him carry it.
He's been trying to get away with not carrying anything this whole time.
He's 6.
He doesn't want to carry his
Carry like a
backpack.
car,
Oh.
his monkey, something.
That's okay. He'll carry the Smurf box. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Welcome home. Wait till you go outside. It's gonna suck.
Can't wait.